Hello guys, what's up? Good morning. So ngayong araw to magkakaroon tayo ng video tutorial on how you are going to install Internet Download Manager in your laptop. So let's start it now guys. So first thing guys, if you don't have the Internet Download Manager in your application or software, if you don't have the software, you can go to the site crackingpatching.com. So the site is crackingpatching.com. If you want to install Internet Download Manager pre-registered or already registered, you need to download the file here in crackingpatching.com. So here it is, the most latest Internet Download Manager. So just click this one guys. After clicking that one, go to the bottom here, then IDM crack latest version is here. So you need to download the patch zip, the zip file. If you're going to download it with torrent, if you have an application torrent, you can download it using torrent. But if you don't have that application, BitTorrent, uTorrent, so you can download it using the zip file download. So here, just click that one. After clicking that one, so you need to copy this one guys. So if this prompt into your computer, because guys, I am using the browser Brave browser. So Brave browser is a powerful browser that blocks ad, and if you go to sites that has threat or viruses, or sites that has a lot of ads, he will going to block those things. And now, if this prompt up to your computer, if you're using Brave, just click allow. But if you're not using Brave, if you're using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, so it's okay, it will not prompt to your computer. So you can click allow, but for me, okay, I will click block. So just copy this one. So let's go back here, copy, then paste it here, then send. So just click this one. So thing that you need to do is need to download now. Do not click high speed download, direct download, or just click the download now to make it complete. So if it prompt again, so you need to allow that one. So just click it here again. So these are the ads that I'm talking to you guys. So you need to click it several times for it to start. So I am already using Internet Download Manager, but I will show you how to install this one. So after you downloaded the file, it is zip file, zip or encrypted, so let's open the folder. So now we can see it here, IDM Internet Download Manager 6.38. So because I am using 6.36 Download Manager, Internet Download Manager, so I will delete this one and I will use the latest version. So next thing that we are going to do is, before we are going to unzip the file, so in unzipping the file, we need to have a software like Xyzie. So if you don't have Xyzie software, you can go to Google. So the software that we can use to unzip files is we have the 7Z or 7-zip one. So 7-zip. So just download this one. You can click download. Then, so you need to know what operating system is your laptop. If your operating system is 32-bit, then you can download the 32-bit. But if you're using, or if your system in your laptop is 64-bit, then you can download the 64-bit. But question, where can I find where can I find the 64-bit or 32-bit in my operating system? So to know your system, the system of your computer, need to click this, or my computer, or this PC, right click this one, then properties. So look at the system. So here it is, the system. We have here the RAM, 4 GB, and the system type, it's 64-bit operating system. So because it is 64-bit operating system, the software that I'm going to download is on 64-bit application. So just click this one and it will automatically download. So it's already been downloaded. So let's proceed now to the folder. So after you downloaded the 7zip, here it is, 7zip. Let's look for it. Here, this one guys. So this is the 7zip. Here it is. So last year. So these are the 7zip. Then you can run this one. Then after running that one, because I already installed that one in my computer, so it's already in my system of my computer. So after that one, to open the zip files, you need to click that one and click right click. So after that one, you can use 7zip to extract the file. So here, then click it to extract to IDM. But before you are going to extract the file, always remember to turn off your security system or your antivirus, because it will prompt the zipping or unzipping of files, and it will delete the pre-registry in your application. So it will not properly be installed if your Windows security or antivirus is not disabled. So after disabling your antivirus or Windows security, you can now unzip the file. So you can use 7zip. Also you can use WinRAR application, or also you can use Power ISO application. So now I'm going to use 7zip for this one. So extract to IDM, and it will automatically extracted. Here it is guys. So here it is now. So after that one, I will click this one. Then before installing, you can also read the instruction on how to install this one. So in its instruction, how to use disable antivirus if needed. So it says here that it is not needed, but the fact is it is really essential for you to disable your antivirus or Windows security system, because it will block all the pre-registered files on that application and it will not work properly. So you need to turn off or disable your antivirus or Windows security system. So now we already disabled the antivirus before opening the zip file, because when you're going to disable it after you open the zip file, then it will block the pre-registered file and it will not work properly. So the next step is you need to install program IDM. Okay, remove any previous patch. So for me, because I have a previous patch, I need to remove the previous patch. So how am I going to remove the previous patch is I need to uninstall the program in my computer. So to uninstall program, you can go to this PC or my computer, then click computer. This is the fastest way where you can go to uninstall or change program. So just to uninstall, go to my computer or this PC, click computer at the top left, then go to uninstall or change a program. So after that one, it will proceed to the window where you can uninstall programs. So let us wait, it's still loading. So I'm going to look for IDM crack. Here it is. So I need to uninstall this IDM crack because it says here there in its instruction to uninstall the IDM crack. So after uninstalling, so it's done. Also, so uninstall. So just close this tab if it open, then minimize, then finish. So also I'm going to uninstall the previous version. So previous version. So full, you need to uninstall full. So Internet Download Manager is always updating. So if you want to download the updated file, you can go to crackingpatching.com, and also you can go to your sites that you're going to download the file. So please save your work and close application now. The computer will reboot after you press OK. Okay, just click X. So we don't need to reboot the system. And now let's proceed now to the installation. So the second step here, it says here run 32-bit install program. So this is the program. So we need to install this one. Yes. Then install. Next. Just click the box. Next. You can choose to create a desktop icon, or you can choose not to create one. So it depends on you. So for me, I just need to create the desktop icon so I can easily see the application in my desktop. So here it is. It's already installed. Now let's click finish. Now let's read again the instruction. So the second instruction, after installing the program, run 32-bit patch build or run the 64 so mamaya na muna yan. So cancel na natin. So it says if there will be a tab that will prompt to reboot your system, do not reboot that one because you're not finished installing. So because in my system, the type of my system is 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to use the 64-bit patch execution. So let's open the patch execution. So the password for the zip file is 123. So I need to right click this one, extract it using 7-zip here, because I'm going to use 64-bit because my system type is 64-bit operating system. So it will prompt that you need to give the password, and the password is 123. So here it is. So after this one, you need to install this one. You can run as administrator this one. Then click OK. So I agree. So IDM has been installed in your computer. So click finish. So to know that your IDM is successfully installed and pre-registered, it means it will not be what we call that one, expire. It will not expire. So let's check if it is really installed and pre-registered. So to check that one, you need to open that one, then you need to click here the tab. So here the help. So if you cannot see the registration, it means it is pre-registered. That is how you are going to know if your application is registered properly or not registered properly. So as you can see, there is no registration label. If there is a registration label, it means it is not properly installed and it is not registered. So it will be limited. So this time, this IDM that I installed is unlimited. So we've installed it properly. So next step is how to integrate this one into your browser. So paano mo ito i-connect sa iyong browser? If you're using Google Chrome, it is the same here. So I am using Brave. So to install that one, you just need to go to the settings. Here, new extension added. So just click the thing here. So here it is, new extension added, IDM integration. So you need to click this one, then you need to enable extension. So after enabling that one, it will be automatically part of your browser now. Now to know if it really works, we need to go to YouTube to know if it really works, and we can download files or video in YouTube. So here it is, guys. So it is properly installed and
On
it
the
is now
take-off button,
it is now integrated into my YouTube site. So to download video in your YouTube, so if you want to watch this video, let it load. So after it loads, then you can click pause or not, then you can click here the download. So in downloading this one, you can choose among these files what pixels do you want. So if you want a good quality, then you can go for the number 7 with the 1080 pixels or the HD. But if you're using your phone, 480 or 360 is already okay. But when you're going to use a laptop or PC, it is better to use 720 or 1080 for your for a good video quality. So that is how you are going to install and integrate Internet Download Manager in your browser. So if you're using Google Chrome browser, you can go to settings if you're using Chrome. After you go to settings here, so this is for Chrome browser. This is the so after you go to settings, you need to go to extensions. Then in extensions, you can find there boxes that where so there are different type of browsers now. So in Chrome, you can find there the tab in which it shows the integration of Internet Download Manager. But for me, because I'm using Brave, because Brave is good when you are going to watch YouTube, just like this one. As you can see, there are small spaces. Those small spaces are the ads, and those ads has been blocked by this browser. So that's why I want to use Brave browser, because it's blocking all the ads when you are going to watch videos in YouTube. That's the benefits of using Brave browser. So guys, we've installed the Internet Download Manager properly, and we also integrated it to our browser. So that is how you are going to install Internet Download Manager in your computer or in your laptop.
Get strong.